In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your main shipping address for purchases on eBay. Whether you've moved recently or just need to update your contact details, following these steps will ensure your packages make it to the right place. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. As you enter your login credentials, remember to always keep them secure and never share them. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find either your name or a profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you need to select Account Settings. This section is your gateway to managing all aspects of your eBay activities, including your personal information, addresses, and preferences. Once you are in the account settings, look for the Personal Info section. It's here where crucial details about your account are stored. Under Personal Info, find and click on Addresses. This will take you to a page listing all the addresses associated with your eBay account, allowing you to manage both shipping and billing details. Now locate the address you wish to change. Next to your current shipping address, there should be an Edit option. Click on Edit to start updating your information. It's important to keep this information up to date to avoid any shipping mishaps. You'll need to fill out your full name, street address, city, postcode, and phone number. Take extra care here to double check each entry for accuracy. A simple typo in the postcode or street name can lead to delays or lost packages, and we definitely want to avoid that scenario. It's always a good idea to have your current utility bill at hand just to verify the address details as you type them in. Once you're confident that everything is correct, the final step is to click Save. This will confirm all the changes you've made, ensuring that the updated address is now set as your main shipping address for future purchases. And that's it, you've successfully updated your main shipping address on eBay. This simple update can save you from a lot of stress and frustration in the future. Just remember, every time you move or change contact details, to repeat this process to keep your account information current. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Happy eBaying!